All right. Well, we already know that the door is not latched.
Well,
yeah, I think it'll blow the door off.
Yeah, it's going to. So it doesn't have a lock style door on it. So I'm pretty sure that we're not going to get the.
well, you know, we could wrap something around it. Yeah.
No. Yeah, we're gonna let it
We can
roll.
get more microwaves.
We're gonna let it roll the way it rolls. That's what we're gonna do. So okay. So we're all betting that the thing is going to.
blow the door off.
Yeah, the door's gonna blow off.
Like this panel's already a little loose, so that's gonna be. I think that's gonna go flying at some point. It's gonna be interesting.
I'm hoping that the concussion, the first launcher, doesn't fire that first. I'm almost thinking we should rope it just to keep the door closed for the first, because that first concussion is pretty hardcore. Well, there you go. There we go. We could do that. That's a great idea. We could do that. That'll keep it closed. Now we're talking. I was like, that cord couldn't be more convenient to have. That's pretty hardcore. Hopefully it'll stretch around and we can loop it.
Yeah, I should be able to get enough out of it. If not, there's enough Thailand. There's enough other shit around here I can do that with.
Yeah, that might do it. Can you hook it right through the?
Yeah, there's Thailand right here.
Well, if you're getting these angles, I should try to get an angle from the back.
How are you gonna? Well, where are you gonna stand?
I don't know.
A little more, Nick. You can get it to happen. It'll happen. What's that?
You'd be here. You'd be semi-shielded by the.
Standing this close behind it? I don't know. You got it, man. Make it happen.
Trying.
Oh,
Wait.
oh, has he got it?
Yeah, that'll hold.
All right.
I guess. Ready? Yep. Yeah! Woohoo! That was awesome. Wow, that thing blew apart. Holy shit! There's a piece of it here. Woo!
I heard
There's
glass
a piece of it
break.
there. That was awesome. Here's a piece of it here.
There's the door.
Yep. And there's
gone.
something. There's the door.
Yeah. It shot like straight up into the air.
It's still smoking.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's no glass left. It stinks. It smells like burning wires.
Oh yeah. And
That was wicked.
That was cool.
Look at that.
Wow. I think I got some before skills. As soon as it went off, I tried to go, oh, what's that?
Pieces are there.
Oh yeah. That panel's level.
Oh yeah.
I saw it jumped off the block. Oh yeah. I saw it leap off the block. I heard that. It was that little travel part. Yeah. There was nothing. But I knew it was coming then. I was like, I really want to stand right there and watch, but I was like, I don't want to stand there and watch.
No.
Yeah. That's why I was like, I'm going around.
That's pretty cool.
That was fucking funny.
That was excellent.
Thank you, Upper Park Yeoman community. So I took a picture of the front, the top, and the back.
Yep. Yeah. That was awesome. I heard glass break. There's the door. We're gonna catch.
The door's gone.
Something. There's the door.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Smoking.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's no glass left. It stinks. It smells like burning wires.
Oh yeah.
That was wicked.
That was cool.
Look at that.
Wow. I did get some. I got some before stills too before I did it.
Look at that,
As
will
soon as it
ya?
went up, I trying to go, what was that?
Wicked.
Wow.
Pieces over there.
Oh yeah.
Panel flew off there.
Oh yeah. I saw it. It jumped off the blocks.
Oh, yeah?
I saw it leap off the
I heard
blocks.
that, that was the little travel part. Yeah. That was nothing.
On one more. All right, fire away. Oh shit. That was excellent.
I would do that one again, too.
You could fire another one in there.
He's just dumping smoke.
looks like a magic trick he just performed. Woo! Look at that.
Come up out of there, right? That'd be impressive, right?
You know what? It fell over inside.
Probably
Let's kick the lid, see what it looks
Probably
like in
once
there.
it,
I'll hold the lid. You toss the tire off.
I'm sure once the thing went off, we could have.
Look at that. Yeah, that's awesome.
Woo. That's how the gun pedal. Oh, the bottom.
Yeah, which I knew it would. Bottom
Yeah.
wasn't any good anyway.
No. We could actually put one of the mortar shells in there. We could put one of the launchers in there so it would hold upright.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Oh
that's an
yeah.
interesting
Next
thought.
one we do.
Or even just put a tube in there so it can't fall over.
Yeah. Blast it right into the lid.
Yeah.
Should we do that now while we're at it? All right, fire away. Oh shit. That was excellent.
That one, do that one again too.
You could fire another one in there.
He's just dumping smoke.
Looks like a magic trick he just performed.
Yeah, come up out of there, right? That'd be impressive, right?
You know what? It fell over inside.
Probably
Let's kick the lid, see what it looks like in there. I'll hold the lid, you toss the tire off.
I'm sure once we could have.
Yeah, that's awesome.
We could actually put one of the mortar shells in there. We could put one of the launchers in there.
Oh yeah, next one we do.
Or even just put a tube in there so it can't fall over.
Yeah. Blast it right into the lid.
Yeah.
We'll do that now while we're at it.
I only brought one with me.
All right, well then.
I said we take a break anyway because how does ball go?
Yeah. Oh, it is.
We can always come back and do it again.
Yeah.
Strap this tick to that firework.
Yeah. I wonder if that lid's gonna blow off.
I'm sure it will.
I tell you what, it lifted that tire up really far.
Can you at least turn a flashlight on, Ryan, so we can focus in on where you are?
Yeah, I see it.
I'm trying to work.
No, I
Okay,
see it.
yeah, that's good.
No,
Just
I know where you're at now. I'm using the horizon for the camera to focus. It's gonna be in the bottom left corner. If the camera, I think, can stay focused on the horizon, that should probably work out pretty good.
Well, being in the tube, the wick doesn't reach out the bottom.
Well, light it, close the lid, and get the fuck out. Heroes were born, they weren't made. Oh yeah. Oh man, ladder problems. Oh shit, here he comes. Woohoo! That was cool, man. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Look at a big puff of smoke coming out of there. You can't see. You got flashlights? Look at that. Look at that. There's a big old cloud. That lid came a flying.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, let's take a walk up there and look at the box of smoke we created.
It looked pretty. It did.
It was pretty epic. That tree just pounded its way right the hell out of there. Oh yeah. Look at the dent in the door. Is there is that from that?
Oh, right there.
Which one was it?
This one, that's where
Oh,
it
that
hit.
one, yeah.
That's also a scorch mark.
Because then you see, then it blew
So
up
it
the
didn't
box.
blow the door off though.
Opened.
Oh, it blew it.
blew it open.
It
Yeah.
totally blew it open. And totally.
That was like a Jack in the Box
We're gonna
explosion.
have to do that one again in daylight.
Yeah, that was. Plus, you get the big bang of it hitting the
Right.
door.
If we did this with two of them,
Oh my god.
with a tire on top,
Oh, that tire. Well, it did
That
pick
would
the
get it.
tire up on that one.
It
on a
did.
single one
Yeah.
it did. Yeah.
I didn't notice it in the video that we made during the day until after I watched it.
Right.
I didn't realize the tire had lifted
Yeah,
that
the
high
tire
up.
And that was no tube. That was just by itself. So like,
True.
Yeah, so we put them in a tube.
right, it would definitely. And we put two, and then I would actually rig it up with the electric thing.
To light them in series, so they
So
light,
it would
they go
actually
off
light
at the same time.
and I can be back there because we can't have.
Yeah.
We can't drop it with the tire on top and run it. Say no.
Right.
Yeah, synchronized fuse lighting.
Right.
Right. No, I just twist them all. I just put everything together and attach a couple candles, a couple.
That's cool. Yeah.
I feel like if we push our luck, we're gonna.
Well,
Well,
we're
we'll
not
just-
going to do another one tonight.
Right.
No.